ladies and gentlemen, this is Brandon. It is the 1st of 2019, and I originally had been planned on having a new project for this year, but as you saw in my last video, if you didn't, that the Fox Body Mustang got crushed by snow on the shelter. But being that it's the first of the year, I gotta stick to some kind of schedule, because if not, I don't know, I'm never gonna get any videos up. So I did have something to work on, and that being the truck. The truck is here. Last time we put wheels and tires on it, and now for Christmas I ended up getting some new headlights. So we will be taking these old glazed over like, I don't know, ribbed style headlights off, and we'll be replacing them with some clears. Yes, just some stock newer style headlights, and also the turn signals and the running lights on the bottom. I do have those also. They are, let's see, what do they look like? They're clear also. Yep. So there they are. Bam, look at that. That's it's gonna be a nice before and after. So I'm gonna get a good thumbnail shot. Maybe I can get a good way to show a before and after. Maybe like this, and pop this hood and get right to it. So if you clicked on this video and you're wondering how to change them, I'll show you. It doesn't look too hard, and we'll go from there. After you get your hood up, we're going to start on this passenger side first. You come over here, and then you look and see that's a clip right there that my finger's on, and then there's one over here. See that clip? You're going to want to get like a hooked screwdriver or some needle nose pliers, and we'll pull it. It comes, that clip right there comes up, and then that one comes up, and yeah, I'll try to get it on camera. I went ahead and pulled the first one off. The way it works is there's that clip slides through that hole, and once it's through that hole, I'll just slide it through there just to show you. Once it's on the other side, where is it? Right there. I'll zoom in. Hold on, I need my flash. Right there. Then this slides down over it to lock it in. If you look, well, let me get it back out of there. Kind of pry it out. But if you look, see it's got a groove on there. That is where that locks in right there, and it grabs onto those ridges, and that's what keeps the headlight locked in. There's one on this side, one on that side, and then down on the bottom there's this one, and you got to squeeze these in. What I did is I took a long pair of needle nose, reached down there, squeezed them really hard, and then just pulled on the headlight, and then it comes straight out. Remember to take your headlight out, and I just flopped it over there to the side. Try not to touch it. I will be replacing my headlights anyway later on, but yeah, now that's out, and just need to take this off. And from what I understand, it's actually just held in by one bolt down here, one bolt under here, and you can actually see them. I think right there. Yeah, right there. There's one of them. Yep, there's one of them, and the other one is right there by my finger. So one right there, and then is there anything holding up right here? Maybe right there. I don't know. We'll get these off first, and then we'll see what it looks like. So I got the new one up here because I already got the old one out, but I did want to show y'all. It's got these like little press fittings that fit into right here and right there, and the only thing that does actually hold it in are the screws that go on the bottom. But you just got to press the new ones back in there, if I can get them to go in. Yep. After you press it on, then you just put those screws in the bottom, and that's all that holds the running light and turn signal on. So good stuff there. I got a little dead dragonfly back there. New headlight slides in, and I just slid it in like the old one, and then slid the clip down on it to lock it in. And on the bottom side where it's got the ones that you squeeze in, all you do is just line it up and push it in, and it'll click in on itself. So you don't actually have to do anything. You just slide that clip down, it's locked in. The new adjusters are actually Phillips head, so you can just use a Phillips head, and then there's a Phillips head down there to get your adjustment right. Before you put it on, make sure that it's relatively close to the old one. You can actually measure how much is out. on the old adjusters right there, and then also right there. Mine were really close, so everything should be relatively close. I can, once it gets dark, I can turn the headlights on and fine tune the adjustment if I don't like it. But there it is, guys. There's the that's the new headlights on an older truck. So the clear lenses versus the old 2001 ones. Let's see if I can get a good front shot of that. Look at that. Oh man, that looks 10 times better. So there's one, and then here's the old one. Old meets new. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that other one swapped over. I'm not gonna show you how to do that one because everything is exactly the same. And then I'll just show you the after shot. So yeah, let's get it. All right, I'm just going to, oh, it's not focusing. I'm gonna finish up getting her cleaned up, and then I'm gonna try to get a couple beauty shots. I don't know how they're gonna turn out, but I'm loving the way the headlights look so far. I do maybe want to plan on changing the grill out to like a 6.0 front end grill, but I have not decided yet. This is the billet insert for the 7.3 grill. I've had this grill forever, and maybe it's just time to switch it up. I'm in the truck and it's super dark, but I just wanted to say thank y'all for watching, and I'm trying to get on some sort of regular video schedule. I know I've been struggling the last couple months, but yeah, hopefully 2019 will be better for everybody, and thank y'all for being here, because without y'all I'd just be making videos for nobody. So y'all have a good one. Please comment down below, let me know. I'm still looking for different ideas for a build for 2019. The goal is to be budget oriented, just remember that. But I'm looking turbo car, probably LS, budget oriented. Let me know down below. Thank you. Adios.